Hey guys, Darren here with American Pool and Spa. Once again, you're back to my house. So one thing I do want to talk to you about is safety. Safety around the pool. So if you're like me and my wife and family, we live in an HOA. With an HOA, there are deeds and restrictions that governs inside the HOA. Within our HOA, we had two options for fencing. One, the fence behind me is a 4-plank cattle fence that we call them, or we got approved to do a brick wall. Now with the brick wall that goes around, we'll match our house. As far as aesthetically, it's gonna be beautiful. So our guys at American Pool and Spa, that's what they're working on now. That's why it has been some lag time on getting some video and content out there to you guys. With this, it does take some time. So if you follow me over here, this will be where our gate is. With fencing, the minimum height requirement is 48 inches tall, and it must have a self-latching gate, which this will have as well. So here you'll have our pillars. Within the pillars, we put rebar in it. And then also this pipe coming out, we are going to have lighting outside on every other pillar that comes around through here. So when you come around through here, this side of the wall here is, I think it's about 33 feet long. Our back wall here that will run the length of the pool is about 66 feet. And then on the other end down, on the far end down there, is about another 30 feet. So you can see how long and how much detail it's going to take to build this fence. Also, when you are getting the height of a gate, of a fence or our wall, that is 4 feet. But if the contour of the land is higher, this wall actually about right here, because if you can see the land, the grade of the land behind me is higher. So when somebody stands up there on the backside, they can actually jump over the fence. If they're standing on ground level, it still needs to be at 48 inches tall. So about right here, this is going to start stepping up to cover this area, 48 inches tall. So you can see about how high this wall is going to be over here. So as you can see, the guys are working very hard on getting the wall constructed. Once again, stay tuned, keep watching. We're going to have a lot more updates. Always, #PoolGuys, American Pool and Spa. Leave it to us. Just swim and relax.